Hi, in this video we're going to show you a tool you could use to check some of the SEO settings of your website or any other website. So if you happen to manage websites or have your own website, you might find this tool pretty useful. So it's called SEO Checker. There are two versions. There is an installable version and then a standalone version or portable version like I'm running here, where you just download the zip file, extract it, and run the executable. So you could use it for free. You'll just have to deal with a little nag screen at the beginning. But if you do want to pay for it, it's only $19. And here are the main differences here. So the main thing you have to worry about is having the page limitation on the free version that you don't have on the other version that you pay for. And then this white label SEO report might come in handy. Of course, you won't see the ads on the purchased version. And then you'll get the updates as well. All right, so here's how it works. Just run the program. And you'll see here's the little nag screen here. And you just put in your URL at the top here. And you can see here, here's the URL limit. Right now it's set to 100 for the default. And you have some other options here. So if you want to change any of these, you can. So once you have your URL typed in, just click on Start. And it'll go through the site and analyze it up to 100 URLs. All right, so this will take a few minutes. You can see down here the status. So I will pause the video and be back when it's done. All right, so the process is complete. We have our 100 URLs scanned here. So you could export it to a PDF if you want to do that. And you can see here, let me get a little more room here. You scroll down the list, it'll give you some of the warnings here. So like the contact page at this site has very few words, which makes sense. Then some of these URLs they say are kind of on the long side, which they can be. H1 tags are not unique. Title is long, H1 tag is long. And it gives you the actual link that you could just copy and paste. It would be nice if you could click on it right from here, but it's not an option. And then up here it shows you how many links we have, titles, description, how many H1 tags, and so on. And then if you click over on these tabs on the top, you could get specific information. So if you want to see the internal URLs in your site, you could do that. And if you click on one, it gives you the meta description, the title, and what H1 tags are in use, and other types of tags. Like so. Then we have the links section here to show you the links within your website. So if we click on this one, let's say, it tells you what pages contain that link. And you can see the occurrences here, and the status code. All right, then we have titles. So here are the titles from those pages. And it'll give you the URL when you click on one. Then we have descriptions. So these are the descriptions from the page and the occurrences. You can see the URL for each one. Then any anchors, if you want to check those out. 198 instances of this one. Then you have your categories taken from the website. Then if you want to see your H1 tags, it shows you the URL as well. Then you could export them and actually search for them if you want. Then the H2 tags, 3 and 4, just like that. And at the top here we have, load a new project, save the project, export it to file. If you want to export a specific category there, check multiple websites. You can't do that with the free version, but that's an option if you have the pay-for version. And you have some tools here, backlink checker, Google Analytics, and so on. Then you have your settings, database location, file or memory, what version of OpenSSL, and we have some view settings here as well, and then the help. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty useful tool if you want to check out the status of your website or another website. But like I said, you'll have the URL limitation, which you won't in the pay-for version. So if you have a large website, you might want to consider spending the $19 to buy a copy of it. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you could download SEO Checker, and then you could check your websites. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.